Hey y'all, it's Simone here, back with another hair tutorial. So the main focus of this video is going to be the hairline, okay? This wig is from Afsisterwig, and this hairline is very different from other wigs because the knots are very teeny tiny. Like, look right here. You see? It blends in really good. Sorry, you can hear my dog in the background. She's trying to sniff for some food on the ground. Anyways, so here I have the hairline, and I wanted to show you guys how the wig looks before I did any kind of manipulating to the wig. It's already pre-plucked, it's already pre-bleached for you, everything is done for you. I literally did not do anything besides styling it and installing it. So as you guys know, start off by cutting the pieces above the ear so that your wig fits nice and comfortably on your head. And then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of speed up this gluing process because we all know how I glue my wig down. I've also been incorporating the blow dryer. You don't have to do this, but I'm not using the blow dryer on hot. I'm actually using the blow dryer on a cool setting to just make the glue set a little faster. At this point of the video, it was time for me to cut the baby hairs, style them, and just make it look natural. So at first I was going to curl the baby hairs up, but then I was like, you know what, let's just stick to what we know and keep it simple. So go ahead and do this around your hairline to make it look as natural. You can hold it down with the blow dryer on warm to set it in place. I didn't use edge control or Gotta Be glue. I actually used a setting foam to just keep the hair in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just hot comb the hair row by row until I get up to my desired part. Okay, so at this point in the video, I kind of knew that I wanted to have the center part of my hair just go straight back, like in a little ponytail. So I used my hot comb. You can either use a hot comb or a curling iron to just make the hair go in the direction that you want it to go into. Now, the left side of my wig was just wrinkling up and it was driving me nuts, but a way to fix that was by just creating a little bit more baby hairs. So baby hairs just really hide the imperfections, and that's one of the reasons why a lot of girls do it. But in this case, this could have been an easy fix. I have a video showing you guys how to fix a wrinkly lace. It has nothing to do with the wig itself. It just means that my wig wasn't measured properly, so I didn't cut up enough by the ears. So it's a me problem, not a Afsisterwig problem. Next, I just took a little piece from the ponytail and just wrapped it around, to kind of camouflage the scrunchie, even though you kind of see it a little bit. and then I just fluffed it out. Now, I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep my hair straight or curl it, but I feel like I had to kind of curl it just because the look I was going for, the end result just looked way better curled. But you could also wear it straight. And then I also had to kind of like redo my baby hairs because I wanted them to fall right where the beginning of the parts started, if that makes sense, you know? But I think this is looking so good right now. So this is how the hair looks straight. First of all, I was living for this parting. It looked so good. Now, I always tell you guys to use a foundation that has a yellow undertone because it makes it look more natural, especially when you're outside in the sun. You don't want your scalp to be red or orangish. Make sure it has a yellow undertone. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my EAP flat iron to just curl my hair. And I'm just kind of doing a very simple curl. There's nothing, you know, major about the curl that I'm doing. I'm just flipping it, and then as I'm dragging the flat iron down the hair, I am rotating the flat iron, and that's what's making it look all Shirley Temple-ish and curly. So keep doing this for the entire head. Don't these curls look amazing? I loved it. Now, I believe I just used my hands and maybe a paddle brush to just brush out, a diamond brush, to just brush the curls out. And it looked so good. I kind of brightened the camera so you could see the curls, but absolutely love this hair. This is not my first time working with them, maybe like my third or fourth, and impressed every time. Love their hair, love the quality. Okay, and the lace was amazing. So definitely check them out if you are looking for a lace that will do the job for you. Bye, y'all.